Hello friends, this is the syllabus from the Apsc for the post of Assistant Manager Electrical in Apgcl, advertised number 11/2023, dated 25th April 2023. Paper 1, Electrical Engineering. This is based on multiple choice question type. Full marks is 100 and time is 2 hours. Section 1, Electric Circuits, Network Elements, Ideal voltage and current resources, dependent resources, RLCM elements, network solution methods, KCL, KVL, node and mesh analysis, network theorems, Thevenin's Norton superposition and maximum power transfer theorem, transient response of DC and AC networks, sinusoidal steady state analysis, resonance, two-port networks, balanced three-phase circuits, star delta transformation, complex power and power factor in AC circuits. Section 2, Electromagnetic fields. Coulomb's law, electric field intensity, electric flux density, Gauss law, divergence, electric field and potential due to point, line, plane and spherical charge distributions, effect of dielectric medium, capacitance of simple configurations, Biot-Savart's law, Ampere's law, Carl Faraday's law, Lorentz force, inductance, magnetomotive force, reluctance, magnetic circuit, self and mutual inductance of simple configurations. Section 3, Signals and systems, representation of continuous and discrete time signals, shifting and scaling properties, linear time, invariant and causal systems, Fourier series representation of continuous and discrete time periodic signals, sampling theorem, application of Fourier transform for continuous and discrete time signals, Laplace transform and Z transform, RMS value, average values calculation for any general periodic waveform. Section 4, Electrical machines, single phase transformer, equivalent circuit phasor diagram, open circuit and short circuit test, regulation and efficiency. Three-phase transformers, connections, vector groups, parallel operation, auto transformer, electromechanical energy, conversion principles, DC machines, separately excited series and shunt, motoring and generating mode of operation, and their characteristics, speed control of the motors, three-phase induction machines, principle of operation types, performance, torque, speed characteristics, no load and block rotors tests, equivalent circuit, starting and speed control, operating principle of single-phase induction motors, synchronous machines, cylindrical and cylinder machines, performance and characteristics, regulation and parallel operation of generators, starting of synchronous motors, types of losses and efficiency, calculations of electric machines. Section 5, Power systems, basic concepts of electrical power generation, AC and DC and D transmission concepts, models and performance of transmission lines and cables, economic load dispatch with and without considering transmission losses, series and shunt compensation, electric field distribution and insulators, distribution systems per unit quantities, bus admittance metrics, Gauss-Seidel and Newton-Raphson load flow methods, voltage and frequency control, power factor correction, symmetrical components, symmetrical and unsymmetrical fault analysis, principles of overcurrent, differential, directional and distance protection, circuit breakers, system stability concepts, equal area criterion. Section 6, Control systems, mathematical modeling and representation of systems, feedback principle, transfer function, block diagrams and signal flow graphs, transient and steady state analysis of linear time invariant systems, stability analysis using Roth, Hurwitz and Nyquist criteria, board plots, root lossy, lag lead and lead lag compensators, PI and PID controller, state space model, solution of state equations and of LTI system. Section 7, electrical and electronic measurements. Bridges and potentiometers, measurement of voltage, current, power, energy and power factor, instrument in transformers, digital voltmeters and multimeters, phase, time and frequency measurement, oscilloscope error analysis. Section 8, analog digital electronics, simple diode circuits, clipping, clamping, rectifiers, amplifiers, biasing, equivalent circuit and frequency response, oscillators and feedback amplifiers, operational amplifiers, characteristics and applications, single stage active filters, Salenki, butterworth, VCOs and timers, combinatorial and sequential logic circuits, multiplexers, demultiplexers, Schmidt trigger, sample and Hall circuits, A or D and D or A converters. Section 9, power electronics, static VI characteristics and firing or gating circuits for thyristor, MOS, FET, IGBT, DC to DC conversion, buck boost and buck boost converters, single and three-phase configuration of uncontrolled rectifiers, voltage and current commutated thyristor base converters, bidirectional AC to DC voltage source converters, magnitude and phase of the line current harmonics for uncontrolled and thyristor base converters, power factor and distortion factor of AC to DC converters, single phase and three phase voltage and current source inverters, sinusoidal pulse width modulation. In paper 2 general studies, this is based on multiple choice question. Subject full marks is 100, time 2 hours. Subject in general English, number of questions 25 and marks 25. And general aptitude and emotional intelligence, number of questions 50, marks 50. General knowledge, marks 25 and number of questions 25.